izoberekereza iyo munsi yona yakuze kiro cy'abarangizi b'amakuru marungi Petero na Paulo. Aha kereziya ya parish ya Uganda matazaho muri Mbarara abikiriza bayagitaho abandi bikirizo munsi yona okuze kireki. Right Reverend Mark Joseph Saitso Bishop witwarira El Paso Texas ya America niwe yayibembere ikitambo cya mesechi aha kereziya ya Uganda Matters.
Grace was at work and revealed in their lives, and the grace which shows us how God has loved us first, because when you boil it all down, grace is nothing else but God's love present, working within us.
The apostles brought us unity. St. Paul and St. Peter were very different from each other. That's what struck me when he was preaching. But they managed to unite people from Jerusalem, also from the other nations, and the pillars of the church.
Bishop Mark yasimihanga Uganda habwo murimo gurukozere omukwakira hamwe no kureberera empunjo munsi yona.
You yourselves as a nation have received a higher percentage and received them with more grace than any other country, I believe, in the world.
Omugani makuru omureberezi w'obureberezi bwa bunyoro kitara Right Reverend Jacob atirweho yashaba abakristayo okwekwasa Ruhanga okugira ngo habeho obusinge omu maka gabo.
Hari umuntu yakubiriza runda kubaza kubi runda kutuma runda kakwiba runda kutera omuntu ogabo meswa kamutapunga kwa baro okamuganya osakumwa kantu kauna okamtwali.
Reverend Ainea Alinda Ateny omwahure wa All Saints Mpasana Church of Uganda yasimemere ekozwe kwihekanise je habwo burisa.
Munyoro Nixon yakisukulirwa kutandikaho ekanisa y'abana materials ziraho musenyi guraho amatafari garaho very soon wiki kutandika umurimo kukutandika kandi umurorezi waitu atayinefuka yo kubanza blessing umurimo gongo gutandika mwibali isito umurimo kugenda kurwa kurungi.
Omukushaboku abaronda 25 batebwa y'umukono kandi gana 59 bajunwa
kaho akugumya abakristayo abana 25 kandi murabo enjiribwe kwasire faya batebeza murorezi yatebeza yataba kujunwa abantu bajunu 59
tuberenteganisibwa abakuza kugitibwa hare entambula zabateganisa konka hati eje kanisa eje haka
ahabwa TV West the era achiza na Thomas tumwebaze.